Welcome to Unit 5. Unit 5 is going to be all about programming. So, I know you just got done making a whole website, but that was using HTML and CSS. And so, as we learn a different way to program, we will be using blocks that it's block-based JavaScript. So, in this unit, you will be introduced to some basic issues associated with program design and development. Students design algorithms and create programming solutions for a variety of computational problems using an iterative development process in Scratch. All right, so the platform that we are going to use is actually not going to be code.org. It will be a program called Engineer for the Week, and that's because code.org's app programming doesn't really work well on an iPad. So, yeah. All right, now, specifically in this unit, you will use appropriate algorithms to solve a problem. Design, code, test, and execute a problem that corresponds to a set of specifications. You will apply appropriate use of programming structures, including variables, conditionals, loops, navigation, dialogue, and event-driven programming. You will locate and correct errors in a program, which is also debugging, and you will use abstraction to reduce complexity, and you will create a program as a final project that incorporates unit objectives as a summative assessment. Now, this program that you're going to create as a final project is actually going to be a game, okay? Now, you have the link to this learner guide, and it's called Engineer for the Week. It was created by Facebook, which is now called Meta. And it will be an opportunity for you to learn block-based programming. If you are super familiar with block-based programming, let me know and I can give you an alternate assignment that uses text-based programming, okay? So throughout this Engineer for the Week project, you will learn about software engineers, and you will learn about the software development life cycle. And whenever you click the link in Schoology, we're going to go over what this looks like, okay? So, click the link, and it's going to bring you to the redirect notice, and that's fine. You can wait here for 5 seconds, and it will go ahead and take you there. All right. I don't think this keeps your place. So wherever you go, once you hit start course, I don't think it keeps up with you. I could be wrong, but you could go ahead and save this to your home screen. So let's go ahead and click Start Course, and you will see your process over here. So you're in the project overview. Welcome to Engineer for the Week. At Facebook, engineering is in our DNA. We want to demystify the world of tech to help you understand how the industry works. And what better way than to put you in the driver's seat as engineers? Check out our kickoff video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through, watch the video, read as you go, okay? And then whenever you get to the very bottom, you can click continue. So this project, it's not just a project, okay? So as you can see over on the left side, it's the learner guide for a project called Play for Impact. Now, part of your mission is going to be designing and building a game that has a purpose to inform or to educate or to influence somebody, but not just, for the heck of it. All right. You want to use this game to try to make a change. It can either be to make a change at school, to make a change in the city of Oxford, to make a change across the country, or even across the world. Okay. And as you go through this, you're going to see some examples of some games that do that. But each game that is finished will be submitted for this Impact Award. And 2 years ago, I did have a student win this award. Okay. And so when they win the award, they get to donate $1,000 to a nonprofit organization in their honor. So that's really exciting. And if you click past EFTW Impact Award winners, you might see somebody from Oxford Middle School, because that's where I was teaching whenever the student won. So at the bottom, you'll click continue, and then you'll go through this. What is engineering? Okay, it gives you your instructions right here. Watch the following video. You watch the video. If you have an issue watching the video on this platform, click this, okay? You will have questions that you can answer. Whenever it says reflect, I want you to go to your Unit 5 journal and type the question and then put your answer, okay? I also want you to put how this says 1.1, meet an engineer. I want you to put that also, okay, at the top. And then you can put your questions and then your answers. And then you scroll down, form an engineering team. Now, like I have said, working in teams makes all of this a lot easier. How much easier if you're virtual? I'm not completely sure. So if you want to work by yourself, that's fine. Okay. If you want to form a team with people that you know will do their part of the assignment, go ahead. If you don't want to be in a team with someone, just say you don't want to be in a team. Okay. That's pretty much it. I will say, I have talked with industry professionals, and they work in teams all of the time. Very rarely is a software engineer doing anything by themselves. So if you are a software engineer and you're not pulling your part of a project, you're going to get fired. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, now your team can have up to 4 people, not more than that, all right? And your product leader is moi, c'est moi. All right, it's me. So, my job as the product leader is to help you talk through new ideas and provide any resources that you might need. So I will support you as much as I possibly can throughout this project, okay? And you're just going to keep going, continue, and what you're going to see is this learner guide is your main source of information and instructions and all of that, okay? So, nope, don't want that. All right, so you will need to be aware of what is in the Unit 5 folder, because this is where we are going to do check-ins and where you are going to do some reflecting. Those assignments are going to be posted here. So all of your work is going to take place outside of Schoology, and you're going to have to keep track of that. And then stuff that you're going to submit, you will see here. Okay. So once you start going through I want you to make sure that you read everything, okay? It's very important. Es muy importante that you read everything, okay? You're going to have an intro to game design. You'll watch videos, and then you will learn the different parts of a game, okay? It gives you instructions, click to flip. But if you have any questions, please let me know, okay? Don't wait until the end of the class and say, I didn't really understand Unit 5. That's why I didn't submit anything for Unit 5. Okay, that is not the way to be a virtual student. So, you work and you let me know what questions you have as you're going. And if I can't answer it through email, we can set up a time where we can go over it, okay?